You've probably heard about AI art generation tools or AI image generation tools. And if you've not heard about them, then you are going to know about them in this video. So basically, AI art generation tools are tools that use artificial intelligence to generate images from text prompts. So you just type something in and it generates an image for you based on what you typed. So in this video, we're going to be looking at some AI tools for image generation or art generation, and we'll see how good they are. So I'm sure that if you've not seen AI generated images or you've not generated any images yourself, you'll be mind blown by this video. So stay tuned. So the first tool and my favorite is Leonardo AI. So I like it so much because it's free and it generates really high quality images. So there are so many other AI art generation tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, and so on. But most of them are paid or they have a very limited free version. Leonardo AI basically gives you 150 tokens to use daily. It resets every day, and you can generate as much as 20 images per day or even more. So it's a really good tool to use. So the first we're going to do is a sculpture of Bill Gates in the style of Michelangelo. So let's see what Leonardo AI gives us. So usually it takes a bit to generate the images. It's trying to process the prompts. And depending on the difficulty of the image, it takes more time. So a simpler image, like say an image of a dog, will probably just come up in less than 10 seconds. But this takes more time. So here we have it. We have a sculpture of Bill Gates in the style of Michelangelo. So I think this don't look so bad if you think about it. So that's the first one we're going to look at. So the next one we'll be looking at is a pencil drawing of Walter White sitting on the Iron Throne. So if you have watched Breaking Bad, you know Walter White. And if you watch Game of Thrones, you know the Iron Throne. So the tool we're going to use for this is Adobe Firefly. So in Adobe Firefly, we simply describe the image we want to generate and click generate. Let's see what it gives us. So as usual, it takes a while to generate this because there's a lot of computation that has to go into it. So it has given us a pencil drawing of Walter White on the Iron Throne. I'm not sure this is exactly what I'm looking for though. So I'm not sure this is what I was going for, but then you can see how this differ from each other. So let's try the same prompt with yet another AI image generation tool called Bing Image Creator. So basically, it's just Microsoft Bing powered by OpenAI's DALL-E 3. So OpenAI are the creators of ChatGPT. So let's try this as well. So let's click create. Yeah, this is more like it. Yeah, so this is what I was looking for. This is what I was going for. Although I don't seem to understand what's going on with the second leg. Yeah, this is quite good. This is also good, but this doesn't look like he's sitting on the Iron Throne. It just looks like the Iron Throne is in the background. But these are really good. So we can see that for this particular prompt, DAL-E is doing way better than Adobe Firefly. So let's go back to Leonardo and see our last prompt. A painting of a disco party in Buckingham Palace in the 1800s. So basically, with AI art generation tools, the most important thing is your prompts. You need to know the kind of prompt to use to get the result you want. So it needs to be as detailed as possible. Your prompt needs to give the AI as many details as it needs to give you the right images. Because if you don't give it enough detail, it will probably just assume and not give you exactly what you're looking for. So, because in this prompt now, you can see that I specify that it's a painting I want of a disco party in Buckingham Palace in the 1800s. So let's see. This doesn't really look like a disco party, but yeah, it's a party in Buckingham Palace in the 1800s. So I think this is really good. So I hope you've learned something from this, and I think it will be really nice if you can experiment on your own and share the results with me. So you can just tag me to your results in the comment section. Thank you and bye bye.